Baba Zungu, before an objection was raised, we wanted to know from you if, firstly, you know these places, and I think you've already responded. Enyokeni, you've already responded.
Ngaphambi kokuthi-ke ubaba uMnisi athi-ke mhlawumbe unenkinga yokuthi-ke ngendlela ke abashushisi babuza ngayo-ke le mibuzo bese lapho-ke ubaba umshushisi bekasekabuza ukuthi lezi indawo ngabe ubaba uZungu uyazazi yini bosowuvumeleke ukuthi le ndawo yasenyokeni uyayazi.
Nongoma, you've also responded.
Nawaphendula-ke Nongoma.
Kwamateni and Vimbisikale, if you can correct me, I think you said you don't know the two places. Can you confirm that?
Uthe-ke kwaMateni nale indawo yaseVimbisikale makuwukuthi ngenza iphutha-ke uthe awuzazi lezi indawo eziyi-2.
Angizazi.
I do not know them.
And Nenge?
Sorry?
Nenge yona indawo kuthiwa yinenge yona uyayazi?
Sayikhumbula kahle.
I do not
Amagama ngeke ngilizwe kodwa sibili ngisazi kodwa nje indawo la ngiphila khona mhlawumbe kuthe ukuthi uqhela.
Maybe it's a place further away from where I'm staying. Maybe there is such a place.
Ngoba ngikhumbula impela indawo.
But I cannot really remember this name.
And you've already said you know Kwateza.
Uthe kwaCeza khona uyakwazi?
Yebo.
Yes.
And Isodlo?
Isodlo sona?
Angisazi.
No, I do not know that place.
And Mahlabatini, that's where you come from? Is that correct?
Mahlabathini khona ke ila uphuma khona.
Yebo.
Yes.
Kwaduma?
Kwaduma?
Angazi.
No, I don't know that place.
And we were in the process of asking you, Baba Zungu, as whether these places that you say you know that we have quoted here, whether they all fall under the greater Nongoma area.
Njengoba ke besisabuza lana ke ukuthi zonke lezi indawo esesizibizile sathi ke zonke zitholakala ke ngaphansi kwa leli dolobha ke uNongoma. No.
Yes, what is the position?
Ithini indaba sithini isimo salezi indawo esikhulume ngazo ke sizivela ngaphansi kwaliphi idolobha.
Ishanti wabalela amahlabathi la noma wabala.
Did you mention Mahlabathi here or not?
Mahlabatini.
Mahlabathini? Yes.
Yes, we did mention
Yebo siwabalile Mahlabathini.
Indawo azikho amahlabathini akekho phansi kwaNongoma uyidolobha ngokwakhe.
Mahlabathini is a town on its own. It does not fall under Nongoma.
Uceza ungaphansi kwamahlabathi.
Then Ceza falls under Mahlabathi.
Enyokeni ngaphansi kwaNongoma.
Enyokeni falls under kwaNongoma.
Ya kunjalo.
That is how it is.
Okay. Now, just finally, Baba Zungu, are you familiar with a place called Mahambuma?
Indawo ekuthiwa ke iMahambuma uyayazi yona?
Akushiwo njalo.
No, that's not how it's said.
Yes.
Akushiwo njalo. Ngiyazi mawusho kanjalo.
No, I don't know it if you're saying it like that.
Yes.
Ngifanisa nje mawusho kanjalo.
I'm just thinking about it. If you are saying that, I'm trying to think.
Emhambuma.
Emhambuma.
Zika noma uqonde lapho.
I don't know if maybe that's what you intended to say.
Yes.
Yeah, Baba.
Where is it?
Ngiyayazi. Yes, I know it.
Phansi kwaNongoma.
It falls under Nongoma.
And we've we've already asked you about Usutu, Ndengeni. It also falls under
Sendawo.
Nongoma, is it correct?
nazo lezi ndawo uSuthu Ndengeni nazo ziwela ngaphansi kwaNongoma.
yebo
Yes.
noma
Kodwa-
igama nisona ngayibizi
You don't say the word as it should be said.
ngendlela nisho khona ngendlela
It's not. It's how you say it. Sometimes how you say the names.
Yes. All right. Koshokolo,
Koshokolo.
phansi kwanongoma
It's under Nongoma.
is it correct that accused number 2, Santanzi, comes from Koshokolo?
Kuyiqiniso ke ukuthi ke umnumzane Ntanzi lo mangalelo wesibili uphuma khona lapha ke kwaHlokolo.
yebo
Yes.
And Udushwini, do you know the place called Udushwini?
uDushwini uyayazi leyo ndawo?
angilwazi
No, I don't know that place.
And a place called Macha Mhlope, do you know it?
angiwazi
Masha Mhlophe uyayazi leyo ndawo?
angiyazi
No, I don't know that place.
Did you know that accused number 1, Mr. Sibia, was staying at a hostel in Foslores?
Ukunalo yini ulwazi lokuthi ke mangalelo wokuqala ke uSibiya wayehlala ke ehostela lasendaweni yaseFosloras?
hayi angazi
No, I do not know.
angeke ngikhulume into engayazi ukuthi mayabonyeka segoli
I would not
noma
confirm.
kuthiwa usethekwini nongangibuza ukuthi wayehlala kwamashoni awusethekwini ngeke angikwazi
I do not want to
As a-
confirm something that I do not know. If you're saying someone is staying in Gauteng, I would not know at where do they stay in Gauteng. For instance, if someone was to say that they stay in KZN, I wouldn't know if they stay at Wamashu or not.
And do you perhaps remember when last you saw accused number 1 and accused number 2?
Uyakhumbula mhlawumbeni ukuthi ke wagcina nini ukubona umangalelo wokuqala nomangalelo wesibili?
angenzi lona iphutha konye ngakhuluma nje ekhaya konye ngimbona ekhaya
If I'm not making a mistake, I would say that I last saw him at the homelands.
ngoba phela ngangirekhodi lutho ukuthi ma ngimbona ngiyarekhoda ukuthi ngimbonile noma ngiyakrema cha
Because I did not take or make notes or take note or make records as when I see him.
kodwa ngake abakhona ekhaya basiseduzane kwakunomshado lo ngisho ukuthi ngayoganisa ingane
He
yomfuthu wabe
was-
khona ke
He was at home, he came home, like I've indicated that we had a wedding, wherein I was the one leading or heading the wedding ceremony in the homelands.
And that was in August 2019.
Kwenzeka konke lokho
angichaze
ngo-August.
lokuthi ngoba ngambona
Let me explain myself when I say I saw him.
yimi engangibamemile ngalelo langa
I'm the one that had invited them on that day.
ukuthi ngiyo angiphelekezele ngakuyogana ingane kabhuti
I had requested them to accompany me to go and marry, to go and facilitate marriage proceedings for my brother's child.
ngosiko lwethu asithi ma noma kukhona ungumshado ugcine kwazi thina abakwaZungu kwazi wonke umuntu ehlala naye siya ekhaya sithume ingane sisho hambani nibatshene ukuthi kuyophumelela
our-
lophumelelayo
In our culture or tradition, it is our tradition that when we have a sermon like that, we send out invitations and then those who are able to make it, they will make it.
angimazelanga lutho-ke emshadweni kuyasinwa kwenziwa yonke into babesina nje ney'nsizwa zonke ney'ntombi zabo
They were dancing at the wedding. They are dances. They dance. So they were dancing as the young guys and the girls there.
Yeah, thank you. And accused number 2, when last did you see him?
Umangalelwa wesibili yena wagcina nini ukumbona?
Hey, angisazi ukuthi ngcineni.
I do not know. I do not remember as to when last I saw him.
Ngoba ngesizathu sokuthi esinye ma noma kunomcimbi angikwazi kunomcimbi khona akakwazi ukuthi sihambelane kunomcimbi sesihambelane ngoba nami kunomcimbi kwaNtanzi hayi endaweni esigodini sawo.
Angizwanga baba uthi ke umangalelwa wesibili yena uNtanzi lo wagcina nini ukumbona uthi wena manihambelana emcimbini.
Kade ngithi asihambelane ngomcimbi na umcimbi usendaweni yakho ngaphandle ngiyami noma ukwaNtanzi kuphela.
I would only attend to their ceremony from the Ntanzi family only if it's out of town or it's out of my area.
Angisazi ukuthi kanye ngamgcina nini.
I do not remember as to when is it that I last saw him. I do not want to lie.
The signature that was shown to you that appears on your ID document, do you remember as to when that signature was made?
Kukhona ke i-signature lapha la umsayindo lapha ya ebaye bakukhombisa wona lapho ku-ID yakho. Uyakhumbula ukuthi ke wasayindwa nini ke lo mazisi lo noma leyo ID?
Angikwazi.
No, I don't know.
And how was that signature made? Did you use an electronic pen? Did you use an ordinary pen?
Kukhona nje umshini lapha osetshenziswa umshini wogesi osetshenziswayo lapho ukuthi uma kuwukuthi kuyasayiniwa mhlawumbe endaweni zala kwenziwa khona amabhasi. Manje ufuna ukwazi umshushisa ukuthi wena wasebenzisa hlobo lini lwepeni, wasebenzisa le peni leyo gesi noma ke wasebenzisa ipeni ke leli lijwayelekile.
Angazi.
I don't know.
We're just trying to show you your signatures on exhibit U in brackets 1, and on your ID document. Now, this is exhibit W in brackets 1, your affidavit that was made at the Newcastle Police Station on the 8th of July 2025. What we want to show you is that, do you see there's that arc that goes around your signature?
Uyabona ke lo msayindo wakho lo wasenda kulesi statement ke usenze umhla ka-8 kuJuly 2025 uyabona ngendlela usayinde ngayo lapha.
That arc.
Uyayibona le ndingilisi ithi ihamba la phezulu signature uyayibona? Yes.
There.
Can you please go back? Lento le yabona la kuhamba khona lento elihlaza.
You see that?
Uyayibona?
Yeah.
Yes, this is my signature.
We're going to show you the signature on your ID. You can see this sort of that arc.
Yes, njani.
Yes, this is my signature.
we just want to, this is now the one that you say you didn't make. Can you see that arc again on the outside?
Uyayibona ke leya signature le evelayo futhi la kulesi statement wena usinqabayo ukuthi ke wasenza. Iyaphinde yavela ke kuleya ndingilizi lapha.
Hayi ngantsheni ngendingilisi sigeshami sigeshami. Ayibhalwa kanje.
Don't show me that arc that you're trying
Abantu
to show me.
bakhuluma esik.
My
Ayibhalwa kanje
signature is my
sigeshaya.
signature. No, that is not my signature. This is not how
Ayibhalwa kanje.
this is not how you
Shayela ke le mine lapho bengisebenza khona uyifuthi.
You can go
Ayibhalwa
to the
kanje.
mines where I used to work, and this is not how my signature is
Ibhaliwe
written.
ibhaliwe lento ebhalwe la.
What is written there is written there.
Oh, sense ingane ngempela.
Now you're now treating me as a child.
Thank you, Siyabonga Babazungu. Thank you. These are all the aspects, my lord, that we wanted to take up with the witness.
Siyabonga babuzungu. Lokho ke besifuna ke kuyinkathi bese thina singabashushisi.
Mr. Baloyi, what's happening now?
We are done with cross-examination, my lord.
Okay.
It's, I don't know if my colleague has got re-examination.
I do, my lord. I'm not so sure whether I'll be able to finalize it today. I propose that we come back tomorrow at 10.
What's the time then?
It's five minutes after
It's
3.
15:05.
15. Okay, let's adjourn until tomorrow then.